Just got the notification to pick up the AirPods Pro. Just got Chick-fil-A. Christmas is coming up already, like that's crazy. Apple Store. This is fire.
System shortcuts control.
Got your AirPods right here. Congrats.
Perfect. I got them, ladies and gentlemen. AirPods Pro. So after all the leaks and rumors, it comes down to this right here. Ooh, that's nice. AirPods Pro, wireless charge case, Apple insignia, a picture of the AirPods itself, Apple logo, and here's the infamous wireless charge case. Okay, designed by Apple in California. I'm pretty sure you have all your books. No Apple stickers. Yep, no Apple stickers whatsoever. That Apple smell. When you unbox Apple products, you guys know that smell. It just smells so... Alright, anyway. Alright, so you have the AirPods itself, the AirPods Pro. And then inside the packaging, you have your silicone tips. So I'm not really sure how I feel about the silicone tips, because the regular AirPods fit me perfectly. So I'm not really a fan of the silicone tips, but we're going to try them out for the first time in a little bit. And of course, you have your Type-C to Lightning. So that's really cool. And that's it. And there it is. So a lot of people was predicting that Apple was going to switch into a like a aluminum or metal frame. But in this case, it's your same exact material as the regular AirPods. And of course, you open it up and you have the AirPods Pro itself. Definitely looks a little bit more modern. And I was reading the comments on my last video, on the reveal video. One person was saying, I throw a comment on screen right now. He's saying this looked like one of the knockoffs. And honestly, they got to change. If they change, people are going to adapt to it. But I see what you're saying also. You know, this is like the iconic AirPods design, and switching this now is looking like a knockoff. So I see what you're saying, but if it's going to make it better in terms of like the silicone tips, and if it's going to be a better comfort or is a better technology inside, then, you know, they got to change it up. Anyway, let's grab an iPhone and let's pair these up. Now, before I even pair these up, just a quick little size comparison between the two AirPods. As you guys can see, it's exactly the same, but it's kind of like this is flipped around. You know, it's just a little bit more wider and it's a little bit more weighter, because this, it's a little bit more like convenient. You flick it with one thumb. You could do that with this, but I don't know. It's something to get used to now. But this hinge right here, I noticed is a different, it's, you know, it's not as shiny, and I think that's a better design. You know, Apple dropped the ball. They should have made these in black, you know, midnight green, all the colors that matches with the iPhone Pro. It just makes sense. But I don't know. Maybe I see Apple doing this. They're going to release the colors next year. Bring your iPhone close. You lift up the lid. You're automatically going to see it on the bottom just like that. So you got to be on the latest and greatest of iOS. So that is iOS 13.2 to support the AirPods Pro and the Beats Solo Pro. You're going to see this. You just tap on connect. And just like that, it's going to give you all your controls. Alright, so you have announce messages with Siri. We're going to try that out. We're going to try everything. And that's it. The pairing process is simple, stupid, easy. You know, it's really that simple. You know, and then you open it up, you can see your levels and everything. It has your name. Yeah, that's one of my favorite things about AirPods. But one thing I want to try out, if I open up the lid, we take these out. Hold on, let me clean out my ears, man, before I even put these things on. Now, one of the things that I was always worried about with these kind of headphones or in-ear headphones, this is the fact how they don't really fit in my ear. They always like to pop out. But with the regular AirPods, they always just rest in my ear. They never came out whatsoever. And I love the regular AirPods, but I want to see if this is going to be an even better fit. It's supposed to be, but for me, we're going to try these out for the first time. Okay. All right. All right, so you still have that same ding. So far, these fit okay. All right, so here now they look at my ear close up. Here's the other side. And we're gonna do an air fit test first. Okay, continue. And we're gonna play a sound. Oh, it's like a real music on there. See, look, it slipped out. I gotta switch to the silicone tips immediately. It just slipped out during the test, and I need the small. And you just put them in. Now, one thing I'll say, it's not bad putting them in. It's 1, 2, 3. Let's not lose these. If you lose one of these silicone tips, Apple's gonna charge you $3 for. And if you lose one AirPod, it's $89. $100 for one AirPod. Apple, you are something else. Okay. Alright, so it's easy to put in the silicone tips. There's like 2 grooves. If I zoom in really, really closely, there's like 2 little grooves here. And you gotta basically line up those 2 grooves within those AirPods there. But I'm happy that they came out during my video because you guys need to know, man. This is important stuff. I'm showing you guys everything, the real of the real. Now let's see. Alright, so good seal. And I agree. I can hear myself, but I can't hear myself fully. Alright, so they are good. We are using good tips. But right away, I'm liking the original AirPods, the way how it rests in your ear. Alright, so noise cancellation is enabled. You're going to hear like a little ding, and now I can really hear myself fully. Alright, noise cancellation, it's now enabled. Oh, my voice just changed. And transparency, I sound more, okay, let me see. Alright, yeah, it's a difference. Alright, so now I can hear myself fully, but the AirPods are still in my ear. But let's play some music, man. Enough with the chit chat. I was playing some Kanye, R.I.P. to the GOAT, Nipsey Hussle. We're gonna play Dedication. Alright, so sound test. Right now, I got these as noise cancellation. And let's try these out. Alright, so we gotta maximize the volume. Okay, wait for the bass drop. I can't even hear myself. Ooh. Yo. Alright, let me try out the original AirPods real quick. They sound definitely more punchy. But let me test out the original AirPods real quick. Alright, I like how AirPods just connect. I think I like the way how the original AirPods fit better though. That's just me. Alright, max volume. Let me switch back into the Pro. Yeah, in-ear headphones, not really. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah. Big difference. Like big difference with the sound quality. It's more punchy, it's more bass than your standard AirPods, definitely for sure. And honestly, it's probably not even a fair test because I have transparency on. Hey, what's going on? I'm trying to test out the transparency. If someone's talking to you, can you still hear what's going on? And yeah, you can. But not if you're playing it max though. Yeah, so you can have a conversation while you're playing music. But so far, the ear tips, in my opinion, I'm not feeling them. I'm not feeling them so far. I like something that just rests in my ear, but you might be different. Everybody's ears are different. My ears are super duper small. So, maybe the in-ear is not really for me. But honestly, the sound quality, definitely, I hear the difference. Forgot to show you guys this little groove here. This little groove, you can control the transparency mode, the noise cancellation. You can skip reverse tracks, play, pause. Let me actually try that out for a second. And of course, you can put one ear in and have one ear to just listen to one music. Listen to music in one ear. But if I press, yeah, it's no longer like a tap. AirPods are good. If you're a fan of in-ear buds, then yeah, you're gonna like it. Like if you're a fan of your earbuds that came inside your iPhone box, you're gonna like the standard AirPods better. If you feel like that's a perfect fit for you, then yeah. But alright, let me try these one more time before I rage quit. I just feel like they about to slip out just a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, I'm moving my head. Yeah. Okay. Just feel like they about to slip out. But they still in there, yo. They still in there. I don't know. It just doesn't feel secure. Like, I could do this, and look, they out. They out. The case does have wireless charge. This is a wireless charging pad. You just put it on the mat, and it just starts charging right away. So I'm going to be doing a little microphone test. Testing. 1, 2, 3. These are the AirPods Pro microphone tests. Let me know down in the comments down below. How's the audio? Do they sound good? Do they sound crisp, clean? Let me know in the comments down below. So one cool feature of iOS 13, you can now share your music with someone next to you. So whoever have an AirPod next to you, you can share that audio just like that. So now we could play the same music together. We could watch a movie, play a game together, whatever the case may be. And now you have the audio controls. But since I'm a pro, I got the noise cancellation, I got the transparency. But this is really cool. You can control each other's volume. Yeah, it sounds very, very sync. So nobody's delayed here. And yeah, that's really a nice feature. So I'm going to try these out all week long. And I'll let you guys know my review and if it's worth the $250 or $270 in my price. You know, I live in New York, so taxes are high. And so far, they're okay. Until next time, that is my first impression / unboxing / vlog too of the AirPods Pro. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on so you guys be notified when I upload that review. I use my AirPods every single day, so I'll let you guys know on my review of the AirPods Pro. So yeah. Until next time, have a simple day.